Taking care of a baby or young child comes with a lot of challenges, but the right gadgets can make things easier. I have listed the best 20 baby and kids gadgets that can help parents with daily tasks, safety, and convenience. From smart monitors to helpful feeding tools, these gadgets are designed to make parenting a little smoother. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Bunwag Baby Bathtub. The baby bathtub effortlessly folds into a compact square, making it convenient to store in the bathroom or car trunk, ensuring a tidy home and easy travel. Equipped with a temperature sensor and thermosensitive drain plug, it guarantees the water is always at a safe temperature for your baby. The inclusion of a soft cushion and adjustable shoulder straps provides head and neck support, offering infants a comfortable and secure bathing experience. Crafted from high-quality PP and TPE materials, this bathtub is both harmless and odorless, ensuring safety for your newborn. Uvico Baby Nail Kit. This grooming kit includes a baby nail clipper, non-slip handled scissors, soft-tip tweezers, and a gentle glass nail file, all housed in a protective, adorable case. Manufactured to the highest hygienic standards, the precision stainless steel blades are non-blunt and rust-free, making them safe for trimming delicate nails. The ABS handles are non-toxic, anti-slip, durable, and free from harsh chemicals. Specifically designed for kids, each tool caters to the unique needs of infant grooming, making it an ideal gift for baby showers or new mothers. Water Wipes Plastic-Free Baby Wipes. These unscented baby wipes gently clean and protect delicate skin with just 2 ingredients, 99.9% purified water and a drop of fruit extract. Safe for premature and newborn skin, they are gentle enough for sensitive skin types and can be used as diaper wipes or for everyday purposes. Being plant-based and plastic-free, these hypoallergenic wipes contain no artificial fragrances, parabens, or sulfates, making them a trusted choice for dermatologists and suitable for eczema-prone skin and allergy sufferers. Dr. Brown's Baby Brush Plus Comb. This brush effectively prevents cradle cap while protecting the baby's soft spot. Sized appropriately for a baby's head and comfortable for adult hands, the soft baby brush and comb are essential grooming tools. Designed for all hair types, fine, thick, curly, or straight, the set makes a useful and thoughtful gift that parents will appreciate. Frida Baby Bath Rinse Cup. The Bath Rinse Cup offers multiple ways to rinse your little one's body and hair, protecting both eyes and ears. Featuring a dual-pour design, it provides a gentle rain shower for newborns and a refreshing waterfall for toddlers, catering to different age groups. With a generous capacity of 24 ounces, it allows for prolonged rinsing in a single pour. The dual-grip design, equipped with both a handle and an ergonomic grip, ensures ease of use and comfortable handling for caregivers. Papablic Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer. This device uses penetrating steam at a higher temperature than a dishwasher for reliable sanitization. Its 3-in-1 design allows you to sterilize with steam, dry completely with hot air, and deodorize, providing a thorough cleaning process. With 3 different stacking options, it can clean up to 10 bottles and accessories like teethers, pacifiers, and plastic toys simultaneously. Sanitized bottles and accessories remain safe for over 24 hours in its clean storage. The ergonomic shape makes it easy to carry and disassemble for occasional cleaning, featuring an intuitive timer design and safe auto shut-off. Groundsy Bottle Warmer. This bottle warmer heats 4-ounce milk to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 minutes, quickly soothing a hungry baby. Its smart 8-in-1 functionality includes fast warming, keep warm, steaming, food heating, timer, adjustable temperature, and an anti-scald basket, consolidating multiple devices into one. The Keep Warm function maintains milk temperature for night feedings, and the auto shut-off feature ensures safety by preventing overheating and preserving milk nutrition. KiddoLab Crib Attachment. For adorable hanging toys dance and twirl to engage and entertain infants aged birth to 12 months. A 360-degree projector casts moons, stars, and animal shapes on the ceiling, providing a soothing visual experience. With up to 30 minutes of lullabies and nature sounds and adjustable volume, it creates a calming bedtime atmosphere. The simple yellow knob easily attaches to cribs with sturdy rails and spindles, ensuring effortless installation. Little Rare Baby Feeding Set. This 14-piece set includes a suction-divided plate, suction bowl, wooden fork, wooden spoon, straw cup, spill-proof straw, baby bib with catch pocket, first stage toddler fork and spoon, 3 training spoons, and 3-finger toothbrushes. The strong suction base of the plates and bowls adheres securely to smooth surfaces, preventing spills. The silicone bib features a deep pocket to catch dropped food, and the training cup is designed for small hands and mouths, aiding the transition from breastfeeding to independent drinking. Frida Baby Sick Day Prep Kit. This kit contains 4 essentials to clean, soothe, and calm a congested baby, helping them breathe and sleep through the night. The Frida nasal aspirator creates a seal with the outside of the baby's nostrils for gentle snot removal, with disposable filters clinically proven to prevent mucus transfer. The Parker-style medicine dispenser delivers medicine to the side of the cheek to prevent spit-ups. Baby nose and chest wipes infused with chamomile, aloe, eucalyptus, and vitamin E help soothe and open airways. Kopi Baby Portable Diaper Changing Pad. Diaper changes are hassle-free with a portable changing station featuring a built-in pillow. Ideal for indoor and outdoor use, this mat provides a clean, flat surface for convenience. A smart travel bag design includes a reversible wipe holder, front zipper pocket, and Velcro straps for stroller attachment. Its lightweight, foldable structure makes it easy to clean and carry. Extra storage with large and inner pockets keeps baby essentials organized, making it a great baby gift. Monterey Baby Carrier. Designed for comfort and versatility, a baby carrier adapts from infancy to toddlerhood with adjustable shoulder straps and a waist stool. Made from 100% premium cotton, it ensures softness and breathability. 6 carrying positions provide flexibility, including hip seat and back carry options. Convenient pockets store essentials, eliminating the need for extra bags. A thoughtful drool bib design enhances practicality, ensuring parents and babies enjoy safe, comfortable, and effortless baby wearing. Rab First Potty Training Seat. A height-adjustable potty training seat with 6 positions and detachable screws ensures a perfect fit on various surfaces. The soft, waterproof PVC cushion protects delicate skin while maintaining warmth in colder months. Its 2-in-1 functionality doubles as a step stool, helping little ones reach sinks. A sturdy triangular structure and widened step enhance safety and confidence during use. The foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, perfect for independent toddlers. Moncozy Baby Swing. A baby swing with exclusive 3D motion technology offers 6 soothing movements, including bounce and figure 8 patterns, with 4 adjustable speeds. A 180-degree rotating seat ensures parents can maintain eye contact and interaction. Safety is prioritized with a 5-point harness and sturdy metal base. The ultra-soft, breathable fabric and reclining seat provide a cozy environment. Designed for both comfort and entertainment, this swing helps soothe babies while parents tackle daily tasks. Raz Barbie Teether. Teething relief is made easy with a soft silicone pacifier featuring a patented berry bumps texture. Designed to be frozen for extra soothing, it promotes self-soothing and sensory exploration. A natural fruit shape encourages tactile development while being completely safe for babies. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's durable and easy to clean. Dishwasher and sterilizer safe, this practical teether is a must-have for parents looking for a safe and effective solution. Tiny Twinkle Baby Bib. A waterproof baby bib crafted from lightweight, recycled polyester ensures mess-free feeding. Treated with a special back coating, it repels spills while an open bottom pocket catches food. Soft and travel-friendly, its no-scratch closure protects delicate skin. Adjustable side fastenings make it easy to secure and remove without pulling hair. OEKOTEX Standard 100 certification guarantees safety, making it an essential for parents seeking a mess-proof and eco-friendly feeding solution. Alpine Muffy Baby Ear Protection. Baby ear protection with a soft, non-slip headband safeguards little ears from harmful noise. Designed without hard parts, it ensures comfort with multiple layers of noise-reducing foam. The lightweight, adjustable fit minimizes pressure on a baby's sensitive fontanelle. Ideal for events, travel, or naps, it effectively reduces noise exposure while staying securely in place. This essential hearing protection ensures peaceful rest and safety in loud environments. Moonki Stacking Cups Toy. Stackable silicone cups encourage sensory development with varied textures and vibrant colors. Safe for teething, they are made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, free of harmful fillers. Each cup features unique raised patterns for tactile exploration and doubles as a bath toy with drainage holes for water play. The lightweight design promotes hand-eye coordination, making them an excellent tool for language learning and fine motor skill development. Moncozy Video Baby Monitor. A video baby monitor with a 1080p HD camera and a 5-inch display provides crystal clear visuals. Featuring infrared night vision and a 5000 mAh battery for all-night monitoring, it offers uninterrupted peace of mind. A 360-degree field of view ensures no blind spots, while split screen and loop playback allow comprehensive room coverage. Easy setup with instant pairing and app-free operation make it a hassle-free monitoring solution for busy parents. Hatch Rest Baby Sound Machine. A Wi-Fi-enabled sound machine fosters healthy sleep habits with customizable light and sound combinations. From soothing bedtime routines to wake-up signals, it supports sleep training and independent rest. Remote control via a smartphone app allows schedule adjustments and volume control. A sleek touch interface offers quick access to settings. Designed for all ages, it grows with children, creating a sleep-friendly environment that benefits the whole family. Parenting just got a whole lot easier. These 20 baby and kids gadgets are designed to save you time, reduce stress, and make everyday life more convenient for both you and your little one. From safety must-haves to game-changing convenience items, these products are truly a must for every parent. Want to get your hands on these genius gadgets? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.